Hello everyone, welcome to Real Cash, your trusted channel to discover genuine ways to earn money online. So, today in this video, we will talk about 5 unique methods to make money online without investing even a single rupee. Yes, you heard it right. Zero investment, no product buying, no fees, and no fake app registrations. These ideas are ideal for students, housewives, or anyone who wants to work from home using just a smartphone or laptop. Here we have picked this based on real 2025 trends. No outdated watch ads or survey tips here. These are practical methods that are working today. So stick around because one of these ideas might just be your gateway to consistent online income. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful content on how to make real cash online. So let's get started right into the list. Starting with one of the easiest side hustles you can start today, even from your living room. Firstly, it's WhatsApp catalog reselling. So, if you have a good WhatsApp contact list, catalog reselling is a simple way to earn money without any investment. Apps like Meesho, Shop 101, and Glowroad let you browse a wide range of products like clothes, kitchen tools, and cosmetics, and etc. You simply select products, set your profit margin, and share them on WhatsApp. So, for example, if a kurti costs rupees 400 and you add rupees 100 as profit, you send the total price of 500 to your buyer. And when they order, the app handles delivery and you receive your 100 rupees profit directly into your account. So, you don't need inventory, storage, or delivery agents. Just smart connection. Send daily offers, reply quickly, and build trust. And with regular efforts, you can easily earn rupees 5,000 to 50,000 per month. This is perfect for housewives, students, or even part time earners. It's free, flexible, and can grow big with time. Just your smartphone, time, and effort, and that's your investment. Secondly, is freelance voiceover work. So, if you have a pleasant, clear, or expressive voice, freelancer voiceover work can be a goldmine with zero investment. From audiobooks and explainer videos to YouTube voiceovers and educational content, there's growing demand for voice as artist. All you need is a quiet room, your smartphone, and a free app like Lexix Audio Editor or Audacity for basic editing. Start by recording demo samples, a product ad, a motivational message, or a short story narration. You can list your service on Fiverr, Voices.com, Upwork, or Indian sites like Truelancer. Even if you're a beginner, your voice matters more than your experience. Rates ranges from 500 to 2000 per voiceover depending on length and language. So, if you know multiple languages, it's a huge advantage. With consistency and customer review, you can even build a brand and get repeated clients. No money needed, just your voice, efforts, and delivery. Third is sell Notion templates. Notion templates are one of the easiest digital product to sell in 2025. Notion is a free productivity app used for managing tasks, habits, notes, finances, and more. So, if you are good at organizing or planning, you can create templates like budget tracker, planners, or study schedules. You don't need coding or design skills, just basic structure and aesthetics. Once created, you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Payhip, which are free to use. You can price template from rupees 100 to rupees 1000 depending on complexity. People love ready-made digital tools that save their time. Share your links on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or Reddit groups to get to first sales. And the best part? You create it once and it becomes passive income. No shipping or handling needed. Just a few hours of effort and you can earn income for months. It is ideal for students, content creators, or productivity lovers. Just your creativity and a laptop is enough to get started. Fourthly is Instagram page management. So if you are active on Instagram and enjoy creating content, you can start offering Instagram page management to small businesses. Many cafes, boutiques, tutors, and even influencer wants to post regularly but they don't know how or they don't have time. So you can help them by designing posts on Canva, writing captions and scheduling uploads. Start just by creating a small portfolio with 6 to 9 samples posts and make a personal Instagram page to showcase. You can help them by designing posts on Canva, writing caption and scheduling uploads. Start by creating a small portfolio with 6 to 9 samples posts and make a personal Instagram page to showcase your work. Then approach local businesses or post in Facebook groups. Offer a beginner package like 3 posts per week for rupees 2000 or 5000 per month. And once you gain experience, add services like reels, stories, analyticals, and etc. So you don't need investment, just time, creativity, and consistency. And with 3 to 5 clients, you could easily earn rupees 10,000 to 25,000 per month. This is perfect for students, homemakers, or freelancers who are already using social media. Turn your Instagram scrolling time into income by helping others grow. Lastly, it's teach your skill on Telegram. Telegram is a free and powerful platform for building a teaching business. Whether you know how to cook, draw, speak English, use Excel, or teach meditation, Telegram allows you to share content and build a following without spending anything. Just start a channel around your topic, post daily tips, mini lessons, or short videos. Then promote your channel through WhatsApp groups, Facebook, or online communities. And as you grow, even 500 to 1000 subscriber is enough. You can launch paid classes or one-on-one coaching or sell PDFs. Telegram lets you manage everything within the app, including polls, file sharing, and broadcasts. It's more private than YouTube or Instagram, and there's no algorithm to fight. Just be honest in teaching and helpful content. Many educators are now earning 10,000 to 50,000 per month through Telegram based coaching, all without needing a website or app. All you need is a skill, time, and consistency. It's a low risk, high reward way to earn, perfect for subject experts and hobbyists alike. Thank you for watching.